Imagine this. You're not feeling well. Your head hurts. Your throat feels strange. Your body is tired. So you decide to see a doctor. You walk into the clinic. You sit down. And then the nurse looks at you and says,
"Hi there. What brings you in today?" And suddenly, your brain completely stops. You know what you want to say. In your language, easy. But in English, your mouth feels frozen. The words are somewhere inside your head, but they won't come out. Sound familiar? Today, we're going to fix that.
Welcome back to Easy Lingo. I'm so glad you're here today. Because honestly, the doctor's office is one of the most scary places to speak English. Think about it. In a cafe, if you say the wrong word, it's a little embarrassing. But at the doctor, you need them to understand you perfectly. You need to describe how you feel. You need to ask the right questions. And if your English isn't perfect, it feels really frightening.
"But here's what I want you to know. You don't need perfect English to talk to a doctor. You need simple, clear English. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly that."
We're going to listen to a real conversation between two people, Paul and Anna. They live in the USA. And today, Paul is not feeling well. So, let's listen. Paul is 24 years old. He's a student. He studies in New York. He moved there 6 months ago. And lately, he hasn't been feeling great. His throat hurts. He's been tired. And his nose keeps running.
Yeah, we all know that feeling. So today, Paul decides to visit the clinic near his apartment. He's a little nervous. His English is okay, but medical conversations feel different, more serious, more important. He takes a deep breath and walks inside.
Hi there. Come on in. I'm Anna. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm okay, I guess. A little tired.
Totally understand. So, what brings you in today?
I've been feeling really tired lately, and my throat hurts.
Oh no. That's not fun. When did this start?
It started about 3 days ago? Maybe 4.
Okay. And do you have a fever? Or any cough?
I'm not sure about the fever, but yes, a little cough.
All right. Any other symptoms? Like headache or body aches?
Yeah, actually, my head has been hurting. And my body feels heavy.
Heavy. Okay. That's a good way to describe it. The doctor will be with you shortly. Just relax, okay?
Thank you.
Hi, Paul. I'm Dr. Kim. How are you feeling?
Not great, honestly. I've been feeling really tired and my throat hurts.
Doctor mentioned you've had symptoms for about 3 or 4 days?
Yes, it started about 3 days ago. First, just the throat, and then the tiredness.
Okay, let me take a look. Your throat is a little red, and your glands are slightly swollen.
Is it serious?
It looks like a mild infection, probably viral. Nothing too serious.
Oh, okay. Good. So, what do you recommend?
I'd recommend getting plenty of rest. Drink warm fluids, tea, soup, that kind of thing. And take some over-the-counter pain relief for the throat.
Okay. And do I need a prescription?
Not right now. Your body should fight this on its own. But if you don't feel better in 5 days, come back and we'll run some tests.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Of course. Take care of yourself. Rest is the most important thing right now.
I will. Thanks again.
Paul walks out of the clinic. He feels better. Not because the sickness is gone, but because he was understood. He said what he needed to say. Simply, clearly, in English. And you know what? You can do exactly the same thing. Because every phrase Paul used was simple. Nothing complicated. Nothing academic. Just real, everyday English. And now, we're going to break it all down together. Slowly, clearly, so you can use these phrases too.
Let's go through the most important phrases from the conversation, one by one. Phrase 1. I've been feeling really tired lately. Let's look at this. I've been feeling. This means something is happening now and also happened before. Not just today, for a few days or a few weeks. So you say, I've been feeling. And then you add your symptom. Try it. I've been feeling tired. I've been feeling dizzy. I've been feeling sick. Simple, easy, and it sounds very natural. One more time, slowly. I've been feeling really tired lately.
It started about 3 days ago. Doctors always ask, when did this start? And this phrase is your answer. It started about, then you say the time. Like, it started about 2 days ago. It started about a week ago. It started about this morning. The word about means approximately. Not exactly, just around that time. This is very useful in real life, not just at the doctor, but anytime someone asks, when did something happen? It started about 3 days ago.
What do you recommend? Oh, this is a powerful phrase. You can use this everywhere. At the doctor, what do you recommend? At a restaurant, what do you recommend? It's polite, it's clear, it's natural, and it shows confidence. Because instead of standing there confused, you ask clearly for help. That is smart English. What do you recommend?
Do I need a prescription? Prescription. This is the paper from the doctor. It lets you buy medicine from a pharmacy. Without a prescription, some medicines you cannot buy. So this question is important. Do I need a prescription? Or you can also say, is there medicine for this? Can I get this without a prescription? And look, even if you don't know the word prescription, you can say, do I need a paper for the medicine? That's okay. Doctors understand. Simple English still works. Do I need a prescription?
Bonus phrases. Here are a few more simple phrases Paul used. You can write these down. I'm not feeling well. This is your starter phrase. When you don't know what else to say this first. I'm not feeling well. My throat hurts. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. The pattern is simple. My body part hurts. Easy.
Is it serious? A natural question when you're worried. Is it serious? Thank you so much. Always. Always say thank you. It makes conversations warm and human. Thank you so much.
Let me tell you something about the brain. When we feel nervous, our brain does something interesting. It goes into protection mode. It says, be careful, don't make a mistake. And that makes us freeze. But here's the truth. Doctors don't grade your grammar. Nurses don't give you a score. Nobody in that room is judging your English. They just want to help you. So the next time you walk into a clinic, or call a hospital, or talk to any medical professional, take one breath. Say what you feel. Use simple words. And trust yourself. Because you know more than you think. Before we finish today, I want you to do something. Say this out loud. Right now, wherever you are. I've been feeling a little tired lately. Say it. Did it feel scary? Or did it feel okay?
That's a real sentence from a real conversation. And you just said it. That means you're ready. Language learning is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to speak, even when your heart is beating fast. Paul walked into that clinic nervous, but he walked out proud. Not because his English was perfect, but because he tried. And he was understood. That's all English ever asks of you. Just try.
Thank you so much for listening today. If this helped you even a little, share it with a friend who's learning English. Because learning feels better when you don't feel alone. Take care of yourself. Drink water. Get rest. And remember, your English is better than you think. See you next time.